Are you a stay-at-home mom looking to make extra income without leaving your home? You're in the right place. In this video, you'll discover how stay-at-home moms make money on YouTube, even if you've never created a video before. By the end, you'll learn how to make money on social media, create videos that earn passive income, and turn your free time into financial freedom. YouTube is more than just a video platform, it's a business opportunity. Every day, thousands of stay-at-home moms earn real income from YouTube by sharing their passion, their parenting journey, or even their favorite recipes. The best part? You can do it all on your own schedule, right from your living room, with nothing more than your phone and your creativity. So, how exactly do stay-at-home moms make money on YouTube? Here are the top ways. Number 1. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and earn money from ads that play on your videos. Number 2. Promote products you already use, like baby essentials, kitchen tools, or home decor. Add your affiliate links in your video description, and you'll earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Number 3. Brands love working with moms who have loyal audiences. You can partner with companies that match your lifestyle and get paid to feature their products. Number 4. Turn your skills into digital income. Create an ebook, a printable planner, or even a mini course that your audience will love. Number 5. Once your community grows, your biggest fans can support your channel directly through memberships or live streams. Now let's talk about the best part, how to make passive income with YouTube videos. Passive income means you earn money long after you upload your videos. When someone watches one of your older videos, you still get paid for the ads, affiliate clicks, or course sales. You don't have to kill yourself as a mom to make money from home. Imagine earning while you're cooking, cleaning, or playing with your kids. That's the true power of YouTube for stay-at-home moms. Your videos work for you even when you're offline. You can boost your results even more by using other social media platforms. Share short clips on Instagram and Facebook, pin your videos on Pinterest, and link back to your YouTube channel. That's how smart creators make money on social media, by connecting all their platforms into one powerful income system. If you're serious about turning YouTube into a business, I highly recommend enrolling in a complete YouTube course for beginners. This course teaches you how to start your channel from scratch, how to grow your audience fast, how to rank your videos for more views, and how to monetize your content for long-term income. Check the link in the description to get started with my recommended course today. So yes, stay-at-home moms can make money on YouTube. You just need consistency, creativity, and a little bit of guidance. Remember, your story, your experience, and your voice matter. Start recording today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your YouTube income can grow. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm ready to make money on YouTube. And don't forget to check the course link to kickstart your YouTube journey.